making sure that we're pulling these grills off, hail guards, grills, whatever you want to call them, and getting to coils, because I did it from the outside first, and as you can see, I'm still getting lines. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to look when you don't cut corners. And that's what it looks like before I even hit it with water. Now looks a lot cleaner, as you can see. So this is just a lesson to make sure that you take a coil brush to these coils and clean them up as much as you can. And don't do it from the outside of here, because you will only reach so much when you want to make sure you're up against this coil and you're getting it real good. So key trick slash tip to the trade. We got a little bit more there on the bottom. I mean, I know these services can be annoying, but people are paying for services, so you got to give it to them. Good service. That's if you're a good technician.